Hello everyone, welcome to another drawing here on my channel, and of course another Draw Too Much sketch lesson where we're going to teach you a little bit more about mouths today. So here's the basic premise. I'm going to teach you a little bit more about teethy grins, and this really can make up a really amazing caricature if you know what you're doing, but there are many different kinds of mouths that we need to cover, and as you know I try to keep my videos down to 5 minutes, so let's see what we can do today. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes please. If I did that right, your phone should be freaking out too if you have an iPhone. Let's go ahead and do this. So we got a couple different mouths that we need to take a look at here. First off, what are different kinds of smiles out there in the world? Well, we got the very basic smile, and you can kind of do it like this. Sort of like that. See, now what you're looking at here is this is kind of like the center of the smile here. You got the little parts that stick up on the sides, but not everyone has that. And then you got the toothy grin that's going on here, and then you got the lip that's down below and the top lip up here. Okay, that's kind of a generic theory of a smile, but there are many different kinds. Don't forget, like we talked about in previous videos, they may have a little bit of a bottom lip, top lip that kind of folds like that. Even the bottom lip can even have a little bit of that kind of thing going on right here as well. You got to keep an eye out for all these things. This is the stuff that you're looking for while you're drawing caricatures. Now let's go ahead and continue this idea here. Now there's another kind of smile that's kind of important too. Obviously you've seen this kind here where it's on top and there's no rised corners like this, and these are really big, usually rather big toothy smiles as well. Now in talking about this, we need to keep an eye on the teeth. Okay, now you can see if I talk to you, you can see a lot of my bottom teeth show as much as my top teeth do. That's a key thing. If you smile right now, only my top teeth are smiling. If I'm really grinning, I might even get some bottom teeth. So depending on that person's personality and what you're trying to get, you might want to consider getting some of those bottom teeth in there. So I'll do this general smile. I'll draw the top teeth in there, and I won't close that gap. I'll leave it open just like this, and then I'll go ahead and draw in some of the bottom teeth. And the reason why I do this is because it makes it look more white, makes it look more clean, and that's really, really fun, and makes it look like no one forgot to brush their teeth that morning that you're drawing them. And you can fill in this area over here because usually there's areas of black over here because the teeth don't always go to the very ends of the mouth. Sometimes they're kind of sitting in there, and you can see all the black around my teeth. That's the same idea here. You want to get some of that black around the teeth here. So there we go. We can do that even on both sides. Remember how teeth are inside the mouth. If you're looking at teeth inside the mouth, they're actually going like this. If we're looking at it from down to top, the teeth are like this. Here's the top of the mouth right here. And we're looking at some molars back here. We're looking at teeth here. We're looking at molars over here. So if we're sticking this shape in this mouth, then you need to realize that that's going to curl back. There's going to be teeth that curl back, and you need to make sure that that curl is showing in your teeth design. Here you go. If you want to draw it with braces, it's going to be really key to know about how to form the teeth to follow along with the idea of the braces. Very, very important. Also, in the next video, we're going to talk about teeth with gums. I call these my bar teeth. If I am rushing to get a caricature drawn fast, and I am just racing to get this stuff done, I can see the general idea of the top lip. I can see the general idea of the teeth and the bottom lip. I will push right through this. Maybe they don't have any bottom teeth showing in their smile here. And I just go like that, and that's it. That's my smile. I didn't even put any time and detail into the idea of getting each individual tooth, because sometimes it's more about that caricature cartoon tooth than it is about the other forms. So that's going to do it for this. I want you to go and practice for yourself. Go find some pictures online. Just find mouths and try and draw a couple different ones. We're not done here. We're going to talk a lot more about these details as we keep going, because mouths are so different. There are mouths where literally it looks like they're frowning, but truth be told, they're smiling, and that's a very specific kind of smile. It's a very difficult kind of smile to do. Now, you might have people that have buck teeth, and that's intensive and fun to draw, and you might have people who have a jutting chin, and that's a superhero style, ha-ha, kind of look, and that's just a generic thing that you're going to see. You got to learn each one of these different kinds of mouths, so when that person sits down in front of you and it's time to draw a caricature of them, boom, boom, bang, you got it knocked out, and you create something awesome. That's how it works, and that's what we do here. That's what we're trying to teach you on, how to create some awesome caricatures for your friends and family, and even sell, make some money on it. Well, that's going to do it for this one, guys. 5 quick minutes to show you guys a little bit of details about how to draw caricatures. We got a lot more coming your way right here on the channel. So subscribe, hit the bell button if you subscribe. Make sure you get those notifications when we release videos every Tuesday and Friday, and you just got to be subscribed right here. We try to do them every Tuesday and Friday. Whew, it's a lot of work. And then consider supporting me on Patreon. My Patreon viewers get videos early, up to 4 days early, which is awesome. Get to watch those videos early before anybody else does. Put in the practice and time. And then we're going to be working on some other stuff coming up. I'm even writing a book, believe it or not, but I'm not going to tell you more about that until later. That's going to do it for this show. We will talk to you guys later. God bless. We'll see you next time right here on another Draw Too Much sketch lesson. Bye. Man, that was good. Check that out. Right on time. Oh, the timer wasn't even on. Nice. I mean, I couldn't see it. The screen was off. All right. Bye.